What's going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. We gotta go over Shiba Inu today. As you can see, Shib is right below the 0.00007 area, and it's been pretty stagnant for a little while. But there is some good news formulating here inside of Shib, so we're definitely gonna go over the technical analysis and different stuff that's going on with Shiba Inu. But yeah, remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. But yeah, hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And yeah, I have a lot of different stuff to go over, but I also have a lot of responsibilities outside of this YouTube channel. So definitely hit the like button, subscribe. Really helps the channel out immensely. And on top of that, please also check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, and Public.com. And yeah, follow me on Twitter, Instagram, Spotify Music, Apple Music, all that good stuff. And also check out the link in the description for my BeatStars website. If you guys want to check that out, you can definitely get beats for your music, or if you just need background music for your YouTube videos, you can definitely do that as well. So as you can see here, Shiba Inu at 0.0000698, but it is kind of fluctuating between here and the 7 area. Looks like we're having some heavy support here, but what we're gonna do right here is we're gonna actually go over what was said yesterday on FX Street. So yeah, if you guys want to see this, this is actually pretty big news here. Shiba Inu stagnation period might result in 20% correction, and they said this yesterday. And what resulted today is about to be going on. So we're going to be going over the technical analysis from yesterday and today. We're going to be comparing them. So Shiba Inu price has spent 10 days inside a consolidation inside a triangle pattern, and that's kind of what I was drawing out here. This was the consolidation pattern here. I put it all the way up here, and then boom, and then it broke out kind of inside the 27th. So this is right before it broke out of the consolidation. So extremely choppy and indecisive price action makes short-term speculation difficult, and bulls and bears are trading in a painful market condition. Indecision is likely to end soon as Shiba Inu approaches a breakout zone ahead. So Shiba Inu price continues to contract and cause frustration from bulls. However, Shiba Inu is trading near the apex of the triangle pattern. It is currently inside, therefore a breakout lower is likely to occur very soon, and that's what they're saying. And let's keep moving on. So Shiba Inu price could drop to 0.00006. A bearish breakout from the triangle is necessary for further downside pressure. So they're saying, look, it's necessary. If we want to continue to rise, we have to retrace a little bit, just like inside the Dogecoin one I made earlier. Dogecoin also has to retrace a little bit in order to rise. So Shiba Inu is presently trading inside the very end of a triangle pattern. And yeah, really, this is like the psychology. It's like the psychology of investing. Like when people see stuff go below a certain amount, they actually tend to want to invest into it even more, so then they can make even more gains. So it's just the psychology of investing. So typically, breakouts from any pennant or triangle pattern occur within the last third of the triangle. However, Shiba Inu is trading near the pattern's apex and has one more day before it will slide out of the pattern due to time and not price, which is pretty much what's going on. But anyways, let's keep moving on here. As you can see over here, however, Shiba Inu is trading near the pattern's apex. So the final condition required for a negative 20% drop for Doge or for Shiba Inu price is likely the Chikou span and the Ikomoku and Kikum. I don't even want to say that word. It's just stumping me right now. Ikomoku Kinkoku Hyo system. So the Chikou span is Chiku, not Chico, right? The Chiku span is currently inside the cloud and trading inside the body of a candlestick. For a clear bearish breakout to occur, the Chiku span would need to close below the candlesticks in cloud. The price level for this change would be around the 69 level, which is 0.0000069. However, given the constricted nature of Shiba Inu price, it will not take much for buyers to take control of the market. A close of Shiba Inu price or at or above the 8 area could significantly help Shib. But anyways, let's go on to this next one. And this is the one for today. They are predicting something big happening here in Shib. So Shiba Inu price stabilizes as Shib bulls prepare for 20% takeoff. That's pretty big right there. Shiba Inu price has formed a lower high, but it's finding its footing just above the 0.0000654 area. A successful bounce from here could have pushed Shib to by about 20% to the 835 area. If the bears breach the range, then it will eventually go down to 549. It will invalidate the bullish thesis. So if we go below 654, then we're going to go down to 549. So hopefully we don't go that low. It seems like she really doesn't want to go that low. It's at 699, about to head up that 7 area again, but we have some matches little support here, so it doesn't want to go below it really. But anyways, Shiba Inu price saw a massive uptrend on September 6th, soon undone by the next couple of days, and then that's what put it inside of this whole thing here. But anyways, Shiba Inu price breakout on the horizon. So we're about to break out, they say. Shiba Inu price rose 54% from September 13th to September 17th, but failed to sustain the uptrend. The inability of the buyers led to an eventual retracement of 654 support level. Now, Shib is bouncing off of this platform, anticipating a retest of the immediate ceiling at 768. So if the buyers manage to slice through this blockade, there's a high chance that Shiba Inu could tag 835. So yeah, if we could finally get past what they're saying here, 768, like if we can just stay above 7 area and then get up to the 768 resistance up here, then we will be doing very well inside Shiba Inu, eventually leading us up to 835. And yeah, that's going to be the 20% increase that they're talking about. So in a bullish scenario, the run up could extend to the trading range's midpoint at 882. Sheep bulls have failed to crack this barrier and have been rejected, has been rejected not once but 6 times over the past 105 days. Therefore, the ceiling will prove to be a formidable resistance barrier, pretty much a major resistance. So, anyways, on the other hand, if Shiba Inu price fails to muster up of the momentum, then there is a chance that we could be retesting 654 or 625 if we fail to get above 882 after our rise in price action. So a decisive close below the 625 is not unlikely and could lead to a retest of the range low at 549. However, Shiba Inu price closes below 549 and it will create another invalidating thesis, swinging us all the way down to 420. So there's a lot formulating here in Sheep, and something I actually want to mention here, it just shows that we have heavy support here. So I think that this support is so heavy that yeah, even if we go down to the 652, 654 area they're talking about, I don't believe we'll go anywhere below that. And that's actually what we need. We need to hit 654 so then we can build up momentum to end up going, way up. We need to build up momentum. Buyers need an incentive to buy. It's like they just need it. But anyways, Shiba Inu bulls ready to take off as Sheep price stabilizes. We pretty much already went over this. So a breakout from here was needed indeed, but Sheep continues to contract and cause frustration. So anyways, there is about to be a breakout possibly, but first we need to retrace a little bit more before we try to break out. So this is actually pretty big. Everyone's talking about this, so that's how you know it's something that's really about to happen, because everyone has the same technical analysis. Even me, like I'm looking at it, I'm like, yeah, we definitely have some resistance here up at with Sheep all the way up here at 750. But in order to even break that resistance, we got to retrace back down to 652, 654. So then we can build that momentum back up to actually pass it. But yeah, anyways, Shiba Inu down 1.7% in the last 24 hours. Sheep, amongst a lot of other cryptos, is actually doing way better. So Sheep is only down 0.2% in the last 7 days, pretty stagnant, and only down, or actually, it was actually up 0.2% in the last 7 days, and then only up 7.7% in the last 14 days, which is still pretty good. And then down only 33.1% in the last 30 days, and that's because Coinbase. So really, Coinbase is helping stabilize Sheep. But the reason why Sheep isn't crashing like a lot of the other stuff is mainly because of Coinbase. Like the people on Coinbase are probably buying Sheep left and right, because look, when you go over here and you look at the wallets, you just see, like yesterday we had 668,119. Now we have 669,002. But then when we hit that refresh button, you're probably going to see 669,053. So that's a lot of people, like 51 people in the last 10 minutes of this video just now invested in Sheep. And they probably did it through Coinbase. Let's be honest. Like Coinbase is becoming the hub for Shiba Inu. And speaking of Coinbase, CoinMarketCap just now made this whole article about Coinbase and Sheep, about how they are best friends. So, from celebrities constantly supporting Shib on social media platforms to Coinbase following the project on Twitter, check out why the token is so popular in the crypto community. So they just now did a huge article on Shiba Inu. So like now Coinbase is pushing us, and you know how many people visit the Coinbase site every single day. Like they get so many visits every single day. Like, and now they're talking about Shiba Inu here. So this is huge, really big stuff going on with Shiba Inu. So anyways, the listing terms, blah, blah, blah. We don't really care about that, do we? Or do we? But anyways, we are now on Coinbase Pro. We're on Coinbase Regular. We're on Binance. We're on so many different platforms. Trying to get on Robinhood right now. we're on Webull, we're on eToro, so big stuff is happening. So, anyways, much decentralization, much self governance. So, of all the Epicons, Shib is by far the most successful, currently holding 47th place by market capitalization, created by an unknown developer or group of developers under the Persuadum Ryoshi, blah blah blah. But anyways, big stuff going on in Shib here, and the fact that they're talking about Shib, the fact that all these celebrities are investing into Shib, and don't even know who this guy is, but he is this includes one of the Nick Carter, member of the world renowned pop music Backstreet Boys. I guess I'm too young for that. I don't even I know who they are, but I've never heard a song by them. So I guess, yeah. But anyways, there's a lot of people investing inside of Sheep, and Floridian NFL star Antonio Brown proclaimed Sheep the next Dogecoin. So yeah, that's pretty big news right there. And actually, Sheep is going to be the next Dogecoin. I mean, Sheep is eventually going to be very high in market cap. Right now, it's at like 3 billion, 3.7 billion. So inside the future, we'll definitely see Sheep probably being at like a 50 billion market cap. So that's pretty cool right there. If you do 50 divided by 3.5, then you'll get your answer of how many x's that will be. So divided by 3.5, you'll go up by 14x. So whatever you have, multiply it by 14, and that's what you'll have in the future. You got $1,000, and you'll have about $14,000 in the future if you hold Sheep till it reaches about 50 billion market cap. So that's just to put things into perspective there. In retrospect, if you put 100K into Sheep, if you even have 100K, I mean, most people don't have 100K, but anyways, if you did, you'd have a lot of money. But anyways, yeah, that's all I got for you guys today. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. If you do like the video, though, please hit the like button and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. And leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also, check out the links in the description for free stocks with Robinhood, Webull, at public.com. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Twitter, all that good stuff there. Spotify Music, Apple Music, all that good stuff. And check out my other stuff. I also got the BeatStars link if you guys want to check that out. You can buy beats for your music, or you can just use the beats for your background music for YouTube. So definitely do that, and I'll be back with another video. Peace.